The judiciary is the problem in River State. The judiciary, River State judiciary is the problem in River State. When I say they are the problem, I mean that a court, a judge, not even only a judge, even laymen like you and I, who are not lawyers, that's how they call us, are aware that when a matter is before a superior court, you would hands off. The moment it is noted or is announced to you that this matter, or in fact they bring it to your notice, that this matter is in a court higher than you, you have no other choice. Imagine that a matter in Supreme Court, Court of Appeal goes to give a judgment on the matter. It's a complete aberration. That's not what the law pretends. And I tell you that this thing emanated from their congresses. They have judgment and counter judgment. And the court of the PDP was, listen, we're all here as press person, as pressman. You know this too, just the same way I know. I don't have to be a member of PDP to know that the PDP, in their bid to still go ahead with the conduct of their congresses, approached the Court of Appeal and got a stay. The moment that matter was stayed, every other action following it is stayed until there is something, either they vacate the stay, or there is a judgment superior to what they have appealed for. They are aware, and they went ahead. And I'm told that they didn't even involve, they put the APC in copy. The same thing that happened in our own case. You are doing a case against me, I'm not aware. Not because of negligence, but because you want to play games. And at the end of the day, Abiola, you will remember that Abiola told parables. When they said the 1993 presidential thing was cancelled, one of the proverbs, they say you cannot shave a man in his absence. Can you do that? This is my hair now. You are shaving me when I did for front or the other side. Is it possible? It tells you cannot abort a baby that has been already delivered. And particularly these two will, give some measure of adumbration to what we are saying here. I don't have to be a member of PDP. I'm saying to you, the reason why I brought it is to link you to how the governor is disrespectful to the laws of the land. And I said that there was judgment of Omotosho, 24th of January. That judgment, the governor is still sitting till tomorrow, sitting on it. That judgment was tried at the Court of Appeal. Again, the Court of Appeal gave judgment, Court of Appeal, 2 times. Even the third one that here they were jubilating about. Where the judge said, allow them, give them their monthly allowance. But had a proviso. You cannot spend what is not appropriated. It's in that judgment. But they took the side of, the governor, they have given River State back the powers to receive money. Well, Supreme Court will hear it and take a final decision. Who knows whether the governor, after whatever the Supreme Court says, he might want to appeal to God. Who knows? So, judiciary is in issue. I'm not talking about bribery here now. I don't want to talk about it. I'm talking that the judiciary is aware of the processes. They are aware of the different levels. And they are doing these things with impunity. I was in Abuja, and I had many conversations with radio, television, and all that. And you don't position yourself in a manner where you know be thief. There's a balance. You're not a thief. So if you are not a thief, don't behave like a thief. You know, as a judge, that a matter is in a court that is higher than you, and you go ahead to make pronouncements on that matter that you know already has been brought before a superior court. What can one else conclude? So judiciary is the problem in the state. And I've told you that the reason why may have ventured into PDP Wahala is for 2 reasons. One is that it is the governor who now stands in picture with even the APC. I saw them the other day and all that, and claim to be chairman of political parties. My own, I'm not the worry myself. You saw we are here when the national chairman moved 16 other national working committee in a novel visit. That novel visit is that never in our history had the national party moved to a state to inaugurate them. But the chairman of my great party, His Excellency Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, led 16 other strong members of National Working Committee to Rivers State to inaugurate me and my colleagues. Here, it has never happened. You can go and check. I don't know about them, but I was saying that the law must be respected. Otherwise, if there is no law, then you are headed to the state of anarchy. So, like I said, we brought it to show that the governor is disrespectful of laws, and to also say that as far as we are concerned, for me, in my own case, if you say you are chairman of APC or whatever in APC, let's go and settle it at the Blacktown House. It's called Buhari House. Let's go there.